If you guys have any collections on your credit reports and you already paid them off and they're not removing them, try to find inaccuracies, you guys. Like, that's the key. Find out what they're reporting wrong about the account. Maybe the last date of activity, the last date of payment, the date that the account was open. See if there's any payment history report on those collections, and then use that to dispute that account with the credit bureaus. If they're saying that account gonna stay on there for 3 years, that means that you can send disputes for 3 years because you ain't got nothing else to do but wait, right? So if I were you, I would just keep sending disputes to the credit bureaus and send it to the company. And if there's inaccuracies on your account, consider suing them. Like, seriously, consider suing them. And when you sue them, you can put in there that you want that account removed from your credit reports. That's what I would do. Now, I have a free dispute letter too for you guys. Like, when you guys do my 60 points in 60 days, definitely check it out. My 5 ways to increase your credit score, 60 points in 60 days. I give you all an initial dispute letter to, you can send it to the credit bureaus. I also send you a dispute. I would also give you a dispute letter that you can, send to collection companies when they're putting an account on your credit reports, or if there's already an account on your credit reports. So I give you that, and also give you a dispute letter for inquiries. It's free. Sign up for the 60 points in 60 days. It's a live presentation that I recorded. You can watch it. Sign up for it, and you automatically get that in your email. So use that letter and start trying to remove them accounts from your credit reports. And I can definitely look at the accounts. This is what I like to do. I like to look at the accounts and see if I ever got them removed before, if it was very easy for me before. And then after that, I can say, okay, this is what I would do when it come down to this company, because each company I found out is very different. So you want to do different things for each company. But I hope that you found this video